Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. On August 5th, 2022, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to a random bayou in the Houston area. Reportedly, a domestic dispute had broken out between Romeo and Juliet, and now the cops needed to get involved.
Hey, Houston Police! Hey, both of you come here! Hey! Come here! Come here!
Yes, sir. I'm trying to talk to my baby mom. As you can see, we on the bayou.
Okay.
Left the house with my kids. She's trying to go somewhere else. I'm trying to get her.
Okay.
She is tripping right now because I found out she fucked somebody else. She's mad.
Okay. Alright. Do you have anything on you?
No, sir, but beside my phone.
Okay, hey, stop.
Oh, all right. Yeah. I don't have nothing on me beside my phone.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
As you can see, I got the phone.
What's going on?
I'm trying to leave my house to avoid a confrontation.
Okay.
He took my car keys, so I proceeded to walk to leave the confrontation, or whatever. I'm walking down the street. He's continuously antagonizing me. Obviously, I'm barefooted. And clothes are
Alright. Let's walk back towards the street, okay?
Okay.
And then explain to this officer what happened, okay? Let's walk back to the street and get out of this grass.
Alright, ma'am, so what's going on?
We were arguing at the house. I decided to leave. He didn't want to let me leave.
Okay.
Well, it's our car, the car's in both of our names. He took the keys.
We can keep on walking.
I wanted to leave, so I walked down the street. A friend of my mom stay over here, so I was telling her, just go to her house and go to work from over there.
So were you walking down from Copper Tree to here?
Well, I was walking down there, but he kept following me. He got up down. He wouldn't close. When I was calling the cops, he was trying to get my phone. So I was trying to help on the phone. He threw my body's table like this way, my clothes and my shoes. So I just been walking so I could try to get away from him. Because I'm not trying to fight. I just want to, I don't like confrontation. I just want to leave.
Okay. Has anything like this happened in the past?
We've had an altercation in the past.
Does that just mean verbal arguments or like physical stuff?
Physical stuff.
Have you ever reported it? What's that?
No.
No? Okay. This is his car?
It's both our name on the car.
Okay. And so you were coming from Copper Tree coming this way, right? But you think someone threw stuff over a fence down here?
Over the fence.
Is it this at the corner right here?
No, it's a little bit further down.
I'll see if I can find it.
I took off my shoes and I started running down the street. I was trying to get away because he was following me, and I was scared.
Okay.
I was just scared.
Okay.
My hand is cut. It's kind of numb now.
Okay. Is this something where you want to press charges? Basically means you want him to go to jail.
I just want him to leave me alone. I'm just trying to...
Come on over here with me.
Leave me alone. I didn't want to go. That's where I was going.
Okay. So, is that a yes or no? I don't want to go. I just want you to get away from him.
Besides, he's trying to make sure she get back home or whatever. I keep trying to keep the car with her.
I mean, to be frank, so how did all this happen?
He got mad because I'm like, I don't want to be with you. I don't want to talk to you anymore. And
Like
he
you splitting up with him? Breaking up with him?
He pushed me down and ripped my clothes
And where was that at?
down there by where we threw my clothes at.
Okay.
We pushed him on the ground because he was trying to get my phone.
Was he trying to get your phone because you were calling 911? It's while you were on the phone with 911? Okay. Okay. So he pushed you to the ground. Right?
I felt it in my chest right here.
So when your chest hit the ground, what about your hand there?
Hurts, but it's like numb because I guess it's cut a little bit. But
Yeah.
my fingers and all. But
So in a bit after that numbness goes away, it'll probably hurt some more.
probably I would probably be sore.
Okay. So how did the shoes come off?
Put those on.
I have slippers that I was walking with these because these are my work shoes. But I have sandals that are down there that I took off to run.
The sandals off so you could run from him? Okay. Okay. Well, if you want, you can sit on the curb here just to, walk around and get those shoes on. I mean, you got a driver's license or ID or anything?
I have an ID on me.
Okay. Can I grab that? You ever been arrested in the past or anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's that been for?
A few things.
Okay. Give me a quick summary.
Drugs, guns,
Okay.
stuff like that.
Anything family related? Like boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever?
And back in 16, she actually ran me over with a car, and we had a
Was
missing.
that you or her that went in for that?
I went in because I didn't pick up charges, and the state picked the charges on me.
Okay.
Feel me? She ran. As you can ask her, she ran me over with a car, almost killed me,
Okay.
and in the midst we had a dispute that became domestic.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? After she ran me over, and because I didn't pick up charges, the state picked the charges on me.
Okay.
January 6, 2016.
So what happened tonight, Willie?
Basically, what happened was she was on the phone while we went to bed, and some dude texted her. She was on her phone, and I saw LOL, but it was from a phone number with all the messages for who it was. You know what I'm saying? And she said it was a dude that she had physical relations. So when she told me that, she was honest with me. She told me that. I didn't even much get mad. I was just like, okay, all right. So it's this dude, anybody else I need to know about. You know what I'm saying? She was like, nah. And then I told her, I was like, all right, well, I'm just trying to know because I want to know who all I'm sleeping with. Because she got offended, like I was calling her a hoe or something. Like, I want to know how many guys I'm sleeping with. That's exactly what I said, word for word verbatim.
Okay.
And I was like, that's what I said.
Copper tree?
In Copper Tree inside the house.
So how did you guys get down here?
Because she, in the midst of her getting mad, she called one of her friends, started venting to her,
Okay.
and she was in the restroom for a while. I actually walked out the house and calmed off, came back upstairs. She was still going on. When she was going on, she decided to leave the house.
Okay.
In doing so, I grabbed the keys because I didn't want her to leave. When I grabbed the keys, I didn't notice she grabbed my phone, so she left with my phone. So, one, I realized she left with my phone, and I have the keys, so I followed her for my phone. That's initially why I followed her. Then, being so that she isn't the mother of my kids, I'm not going to just let you walk through the street, regardless if you're mad, because you're mad.
Okay.
I'm going to follow you down the street, make sure you're all right wherever you go.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So at first I tried to obtain my phone from her. She tried to keep that from me. You know what I'm saying? I got that from her, and after that, she tried to walk down the street. Trying to walk down the street, da-da-da-da, woo-woo. And I'm like, bro, where you going? Where you going? So I parked the car, I get out, I'm trying to talk to her, and she calls you guys.
Okay.
So I still stay here.
Okay.
You feel me? What does she do? She walks back this way. I called the cops. I don't care. It's my baby mama. What I do, park the car, I'm not going to leave you on the bayou. I don't care about, like, whether I'm right or wrong. I'm going to stay with you.
Okay.
You feel me? And here we are.
All right. So tell me a few specific questions. When her shirt is torn, she got grass on her.
She was in the ground over there.
Yeah. How did that happen?
She was trying to hold the phone.
Okay.
She got on the ground and was trying to hold the phone.
Okay.
So while I'm grabbing her arms to grab, what are you going to hold the phone with your hands? I'm grabbing her arms trying to grab my phone.
Okay.
I got my phone.
What's the phone number for you?
My phone number is...
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So doing all that, trying to grab my phone. I get my phone, and that. And
that's
then,
the only phone involved in the whole thing?
No, she called off of her phone.
Okay.
She called off of her phone. Okay. So the phone that y'all received the call from was her.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Besides that.
Okay, so what happened when you're like wrestling with her? Like when you were trying to get the phone, you said she was on the ground?
She was on the ground, she was in the leaves. That's how the leaves, you know what I'm saying? In the midst of me doing so, I accidentally grabbed her bra, like like it got caught on my finger and it popped. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Besides that, like I didn't rough her up, I didn't punch her, I didn't do none of that. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get my stuff. Once I got my stuff, I even tried to give her purse back. But she didn't want it, so I put it in the car. Okay. And what I do, I'm still follow you. I'm not going to leave you out here in the middle of the street on a bayou.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
But tell me this. We've got a 911 phone call that says she's trying to tell details and a male took the phone and hung up.
I never took the phone or hung up. She still has her phone. If I took the phone, wouldn't I still have it? Okay.
Well, I'm just telling you what the call slip says.
All right. Well,
I wasn't there. I wasn't on the phone.
I never took the phone from her. She's had her the whole time. I've never took her phone from her. Only phone I took was mine.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you've been through this sort of thing at least once in the past, right? So you kind of got to understand.
Yeah, I do. I understand what's going on. What's new?
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call the DA until they get detained. Okay. We're gonna call the DA, and if they don't take charges or anything, then we're
charges
good.
On what though?
Well, so you can't take someone's phone.
I took my phone.
Okay.
I don't even have.
If
She has her own phone.
Okay. So,
Treasure, did I take your phone from when you were calling the cops? Did I ever take your phone from you?
So listen. We're just gonna do this for now.
Come on,
okay?
bro. That's crazy.
All right.
All right. Do what you gotta do, baby.
Okay. Put your hands together, kind of like you're praying. It's not comfortable, but it's a little more comfortable. Okay. I'm gonna double cuff you. All right. Give you a little more room.
I appreciate it. Just remember, I ain't never leave you, bro.
So it sounds like she's thinking stuff's over, right? She was telling you that?
Of course. She's mad because she got caught fucking. Obviously, she thinks shit's over. Sure.
No. She said she was trying to end it with you.
What do you mean? That's not what it was. That's not what it was.
Okay.
It was.
So you don't remember any of that in the conversation?
I mean, she said something like that, but that's not what this dispute is about.
Okay.
That's not what this dispute is. This dispute is because I found out that she was messing with somebody else. That little pic is for I just broke my tooth. I had some dinner.
Okay.
I didn't want you to think it was no.
I'm not worried about it.
No type of.
All right. All right, man. You want to just take a seat for me real quick? All right, man. So I think you know, but the DA's office, takes this family violence stuff pretty seriously. So they do want you to go in tonight. Okay. So you got an amount of property on you. Do you want to keep it or do you want her to take it?
You give her the keys.
What's that?
Give her the keys.
You have the keys and you'll take everything else? Okay.
What are the charges?
So it's Class A family violence assault, and then anytime there's physical contact between people, it's by definition considered assault. Okay. And then interfering with a okay. So you got the keys in here, right?
So I'm gonna.
Oh, you got them already? Okay.
Take it in.
What's that? Yeah. So we're going down to the. When was the last time you went in? What year?
This year.
This year? Okay. So we're going to the same spot downtown in the JPC? Okay. All right. Any other questions or? Okay. I'm going to start moving on some stuff. Again, you're good with her taking the car? That's both of y'all's, like you said?
Of course.
Okay. All right, man. Man, moving forward, sounds like she's saying she wants to be done, man, and it's not worth more in the future. I know, but okay. All right.
28-year-old Joseph McFarland was arrested on one misdemeanor count of assault on a family member and one misdemeanor count of interfering with a request for emergency assistance. As part of a plea deal, the misdemeanor interfering with a request for emergency assistance charge was dismissed, and Romeo spent 3 days in Harris County Jail.
Yeah, I mean... Oh, come on over.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.